An onion may look simple, but it contains a powerful network of bioactive compounds. Each onion layer holds sulfur compounds and flavonoids like quercetin that drive its health benefits. When onion is cut or chewed, these compounds activate and become biologically effective. After consumption, onion nutrients begin their journey through the human body. In the stomach, onion compounds interact with digestive enzymes and acidic conditions. In the small intestine, antioxidants and sulfur molecules enter the bloodstream. Onion fibers act as prebiotics, supporting healthy gut bacteria. Through the blood, onion antioxidants circulate to vital organs. In the heart, sulfur compounds help reduce arterial plaque buildup. They support nitric oxide production, improving blood vessel flexibility. In the brain, antioxidants help cross the blood-brain barrier. This reduces oxidative stress and protects neurons from damage. In the immune system, onion compounds activate white blood cells. This strengthens the body's response against infections and inflammation. In the lungs, onion compounds help reduce airway inflammation. They assist in breaking down mucus and improving airflow. In the liver, sulfur compounds enhance detoxification enzymes. This helps neutralize toxins for safe removal from the body. In the kidneys, antioxidants protect delicate filtration structures. This supports efficient waste and fluid balance regulation. Onions help stabilize blood sugar levels naturally. They improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. At the cellular level, onion antioxidants neutralize free radicals. This supports the body's natural defense against abnormal cell growth. In the skin, antioxidants protect collagen from oxidative damage. This helps slow visible aging and improve skin health. In hair follicles, sulfur supports keratin production. This strengthens roots and promotes healthier hair growth. Onion compounds help regulate hormonal balance by reducing oxidative stress. They may also help lower excessive stress hormones like cortisol. In joints, onion compounds reduce inflammatory signals. This supports joint comfort and mobility. Inside cells, antioxidants protect mitochondria, the energy centers. This improves ATP production and cellular energy levels. Over time, this protection helps slow cellular aging. DNA damage from oxidative stress is reduced. All organs remain connected through these biochemical pathways. The gut, blood, and organs work together in balance. The result is a stronger, more resilient body. One simple onion supports heart health, immunity, and overall wellness.